Hi guys, this is Aishi. Welcome back to my channel, The Art Rhythm, where I share my art knowledge with you. And today I present Kerala mural inspired glass painting for you. It's a handcrafted glass painting that I have done in Kerala mural by using water-based glass color. All the materials that I use for this painting given into the description box as well as shown in the video. So watch this video carefully till the last and please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, The Art Rhythm. Here I use Fevicryl glass color, which is water based and comes in 10 shades, and a glass cone liner. Here I also use a fine hairbrush and a skewer sticks. I have some glass cone liner. In this painting I use black cone liner, cutter, sellotape, vinegar and a Q-tip. We also need a safety pin or a needle to clean the nozzles if it is blocked, and also break the bubbles when we are doing the coloring. A transparent sheet which is called OHP sheet. You can also use acrylic sheet or glass sheets, and definitely a reference. I already cleaned the surface. What I have to do is just take some glass cleaner into a cotton and clean the surface and leave it to dry for some minute. Then place the OHP sheets over the reference and secure all the sides by using sellotape. Then start to make the outline from top to bottom. Hold the glass liner in 40 to 60 degree angle and push it from the back to get fine lines when we draw the outline. To avoid any mess or avoiding the blockage of the nozzle, we should clean the nozzle each time with a cotton cloth or a paper towel. Because Kerala mural painting has lots of detailing works, so try to make the outline as thin as possible. Outlining play the important role to glass painting, because if it's become messy, then whole glass painting looks like a mess. So be very careful when you draw the outline for any glass painting. Once outlining has done, keep it aside for at least 2 to 3 hours. Then start the coloring. And now I cut the tape by using a cutter from all the sides. Then remove the reference and place it in a white surface. Therefore, when we doing the coloring, then it's easily identify the perfect color shade, because white surface reflecting exact color, so it's be easy for you. For the neck of the peacock I used two colors. On the both side of the neck I used orange color and golden yellow for the middle, and merge all these two colors by using a skewer sticks and make sure that there is no harsh line. Following the same process, I coloring the tail of the peacock. Do keep watching carefully so you can easily understand the coloring techniques. Now coming to the background, I use 3 colors and starting with golden yellow at the edges of the peacock, then using orange and merge it together, and lastly I use tomato red. So our coloring has finally completed and I kept it for 24 hours. Once it is dried up completely, I will show you how it is looked. After dried up completely, this is the final look. Thanks for watching.